Quillquina, also known as Bolivian Coriander, Kili, Yerba Porosa, and many other names, is incredibly popular in much of the Andes, but still barely known outside of South and Central America despite its easiness to grow. The plant is easy to grow from seed or plants. Quillquina will grow 4 to 6 feet high, producing an abundance of bluish-green leaves. It prefers full sun, growing in the same conditions pepper plants or tomatoes require. Like most herbs, the flavors are best if you prune the plant often using the newer growth. In late summer, it goes to seeds with heads resembling dandelion puffballs. The flowers are so tiny they're barely noticeable. This isn't a picky plant, so soil isn't a huge deal. It just needs to be well drained so there's no standing water after a heavy summer rain. This tall plant is well suited for growing in the back of the herb garden or in large patio containers. I could not find any good companion planting resources for this one yet, so leave a comment if you have any experience or any success companion planting this one. The leaves are used to garnish and to prepare salsa. They also pair great with corn and pumpkin salad. It is also popularly used in semitas and guacamole tacos. Moreover, quinquila is added to grilled meats, stews, soups, and salads. In Bolivia, it is typically used as an ingredient along with tomatoes to prepare salsas. In Mexican cuisine, it is used as a condiment on traditional semita sandwiches, a regional type of Mexican torta. Quinquila was used in the Aztec era, but never as medicine, only as food. One study claims that quinquila exhibits some health benefits such as lowering cholesterol, lowering blood pressure, and aiding digestion.